Volkswagen just recalled 47,000 units. Let's get into this. Hello guys, I'm Eddie V. Welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell, that way you don't miss any of my videos that I post every single day. Let's get into this. Volkswagen has recalled over 47,000 of their vehicles. The 2019 and 2020 Jetta models have ignition system issues to where this is what happens. While driving, the electronic ignition system will shut off, causing the car to stall. That's pretty scary, guys. When the Jettas will encounter a malfunction with the ignition system, what's going to happen is ignition switch off, safely stop the vehicle. That's the first thing that's going to pop on the dash. The second thing that's going to pop on the dash is starter system faulty, please service vehicle. What's happening, guys, is the ignition's polyfuse is prone to failing, and what that may cause is the engine stalling while driving. So it's randomly like you're turning off your car while it's driving and stalling, which could be catastrophic, guys. I don't know what will happen to the engine, probably nothing, but you will get a pretty humongous like braking system. It'll be like total engine braking, because what happens when you turn off your car and it's in gear? Well, you're not moving anywhere, so that's what's gonna happen. It was scheduled for October 27th for the letters to be carried out. That's what it's scheduled for, so hopefully people are going to get letters in the mail and can get it done for free. So guys, if you experience ignition issue, pull over the road safely, turn it off, and get it towed. Don't mess with it, or try to make it home like us car guys do, or somewhere. But just be safe out there and wait for the letter to come out for your 2019 and 2020 Volkswagen Jettas. That's a lot of vehicles that they're recalling, 47,000. So as you can see, new cars do have electronic issues. I knew this was going to happen, not specifically ignition systems, but I knew that newer cars may have it, especially from German automakers. So yeah, guys, car guys, stay safe, and you hit the comments. Let me know if your Jetta, which is a 2019 or 2020 model, has any ignition issues. And yeah, you can read the full article here, link below. It's at Car and Driver.
Not canceled.
Guys, I'm Eddie V.
2004 turn right. This particular package, drive an attempt on the 6 Series.